Hey y'all, it's Jada. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, hair's out, hair's washed, hair's clean. Yeah, so y'all see by the video's title that I'm gonna be doing my hair today. Yeah, I've been making, you know, since I'm doing my hair, I just might as well thought it's a good idea to record a video. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing locks. Hopefully they work out because I never done them before. Like, I done the short butterfly locks, but not the long ones, but I'm pretty sure it works the same way. But it's the 4th of July today, so y'all are pretty much gonna be hearing a lot of fireworks, so forgive me for that. But before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias. Yeah, we're gonna get into the video. 9:55 and I just got home. So what I'm gonna do is just like, yeah, like I was saying, I'm just gonna plait my hair, or like, I guess braid it or whatever. Not with braiding hair, just my regular hair. And then in the morning I'll wrap it with the actual like hair for the locks or whatever, and we'll see how this turns out. I'm not gonna put any conditioner in it. I'm literally just gonna add some water and put a little shea butter at the ends of my hair and just like braid it. And then in the morning I guess I can watch me braid it. Yeah, you guys can blow dry if you want to, but I'm gonna choose not to because it's really late.
That's okay. Some love, me in that bed. Give me eggs. I want that. This is things. Close your eyes. Don't shed no tears. Keep it dark. No shit.
Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, my hair looks a mess. I think by the last clip y'all seen that I literally braided down my hair, so this is what it's looking like. Yeah, so I finished braiding down my hair. This is like 2 days later. The hair company that I previously bought for the passion twist hair, I'm gonna be using their passion twist hair. 4 packs of these. There's usually 6, but I used 2 for that passion twist hair tutorial. If you guys want to go check it out, it's on my YouTube channel. But this is the hair that I used for that video, and I'm gonna be using it for this video as well. And then I'm also gonna use the hair from the same company, but it's gonna be the soft locked hair. Opened one to see how it looked and how it felt, but yeah, so that's what it's looking like. It's 24 inches as well, 6 packs, and yeah, so I'm gonna be using those in this hair tutorial. Yeah, so y'all just gonna follow along and see how I do it, I guess, because this is my first time doing these. And then I'm also gonna use this hair glue to kind of like seal the ends. So if you guys do want to go check out their company, I'll link both of these hairs down in the description box. It was like $30-some for the passion twist hair. They sent me these for free. So if you guys want to go check it out, y'all go do that, okay? Yeah. It also comes with a crochet needle and a couple like clips, I guess. So yeah, like I said, y'all go check them out. I'll show y'all how I do it mostly towards the front so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna speed up this part, do a little montage, and when I get to the front, I will get back to y'all and show y'all how I do what I do. Oh, time update. It is 8:43. So hopefully, I don't think we should take very long, but I did do a lot of braids, so maybe we'll see. Update, y'all, it is 9:46 right now. It's been about maybe like an hour, but this is how much I got done so far. So I'm still on the first pack. I really like them, they're cute. guys, so time update. It is now 10:37, so about another hour. And I finished this side kind of. Let me just show y'all. So this is what it's looking like. I just finished the first pack of the soft locks, so now I'm about to be on the second pack. I'm still on my first pack of passion twist hair. I'll update y'all when we get to the top. So time update, it is 11:56. So I think it's been another hour. I literally got most of this side done. The back is somewhat done. So right now I'm about to show y'all how I do it with this braid that I have right here. So first you're gonna get your passion twist hair, right? And I split mine in half because it was a little too thick. So I split mine in half and I only use one half for one, I guess, braid. So once you have your half of your passion twist hair, you're gonna take the actual lock, which is right here, and it's supposed to have a little side where the hole is supposed to go, that little hole right there where the crochet needle is supposed to go through, and you're just gonna want to try to open that up like so it's a little bigger. And I just kind of like let it rest on my finger. So now you're gonna take your braid and you're gonna go, what I do is I put it a little lower on my hair strand, like maybe like right here, not on the base. I put this lock through and I pull it. So I pull it through, I'm gonna then open the hole again, and then I'm just gonna take my hair and the lock itself and pull it through the hole and just tighten it. So now it's supposed to look like this on your hair. So this is my hair and this is the lock. So now you're gonna take your crochet needle and you're gonna put it through the base of your hair, like so. Now you're gonna take your passion twist hair and hook it through the needle and pull it through. I just pull one side of it through, like so. So now you have both sides out like this. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around the root of my hair a couple times. And then I'm gonna just wrap a little bit further down, like 3 times. And the third time, I'm gonna take the other half of the passion twist hair and then keep wrapping. You're gonna wanna wrap tight around the base so that it doesn't loose. So I just wrap it and I leave little spaces between so it's not stiff. So when I have a little bit left like so, I just take a little bit of my nail glue and I just put a little drop, and then I just continue to wrap. And the nail glue will keep that hair in place. So then it's gonna look like so. And that is how I do the soft locks, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna just continue to do that around my whole head. I'll continue to update you guys on how long this takes me. I think I started at like, I don't remember what time I started, but y'all will see what time I start when I edit this video. But yeah, my camera battery's about to die, so I'll get back to y'all when I'm somewhere up top of here. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so my camera battery died. I think that's why I left y'all last. Okay, so right now it is 1:01. I literally have this small section left. It's like one row kind of. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm so happy because my hands hurt. But so I'll get back to y'all when I'm done. And yeah, I'm probably gonna come back at the end and then like show y'all like a whole finished product of everything in the morning. But yeah. Hey y'all, so I just finished. Don't mind the bulkiness right now because I had to tie it up in the back because I'm doing my edges. I don't know why I'm doing my edges because it's literally $125. But yeah, I used 3 packs of the lock hair.